Want to leverage cross-browser testing for your application? DevAssure helps test engineers to check the compatibility of software across different browsers and devices. After creating test cases in DevAssure, users can click Configure and Run. This opens up a pop-up window where test engineers can select the desired browser and also adjust the resolution. One of the key benefits of DevAssure is that same test cases can be executed across multiple browsers by setting up test profiles. Users can create a new test profile with their desired browsers and resolutions. Then users can open their respective test cases and run them by clicking the Open Saved Profiles and selecting the desired test profile. With the help of inbuilt emulators, test engineers can also test multiple test cases across different devices. Under the browser drop-down, users can select emulator and choose their respective device from the list. Want to leverage test automation to the next level? Visit devassure.io to know more about DevAssure.